Yes, you may have guessed what this is. It's a resistor pack from a Peugeot Partner 2007 model. The fan is no longer spinning. So the initial symptom was that the fan was it'll work on 4th speed, which is your maximum speed, but it will not work on 1, 2 and 3. Those were the symptoms before it was a complete dead. Okay, so it ran for about a couple of months on the 4th setting, and then eventually just conked out. This is your culprit, the resistor pack. Okay, sadly the part number is kind of gone off, but I've just about managed to read that. So I think this part number could have superseded. So it may be a different revision of this has come out. Hence the reason why the part number no longer sort of matches. Or when you type that part number on the internet, you barely find anything. So let's just quickly go onto the screen capture, and I did manage to find something that was similar, which is here. Okay, and the part number is this 030554V and then space hash, but it's mainly these up to V is your part number, and it does say here that it's R16, so 67 kilo ohms. Then you've got a section where it says 1R58K and then 1R63K. Okay, and there's also numbers here. It says 12496F. On the top here is 264607, and I think that's about it. That's not relevant. They're just random alphabets. And it is made by Velo, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it's Velo, and it's PA6 here printed. Okay, there. So what we're going to do is we've ordered a new part of Eurocar parts. It should be here shortly, so I will continue with this video, show you where it's located. In the UK, you've got a right-hand vehicles. This resistor pack is located under the footwell of the passenger front. Okay, so when you take the fan out, look a little bit deeper, you will see that this part of the actual resistor. Okay, there is a harness going. Again, you've got to look underneath it. The harness is on the outer side of the fan housing, and it's just, this is the connection. It's a 4-pin connection. It's a very awkward one. When you look at this, you think that I'll click onto this and then pull out. It doesn't pull out that easily because it is held by these little things as well. And there must be a little stud that goes in here, which when you flex this, it just releases a little bit of stress, and you can pull it out. But it's a very awkward, weird type of a fitting that I've seen. This is the refurb fan with new brushes, copper brushes. The new resistor pack. This is what it looks like. There we go. That's what it looks like. First of all, is what needs to happen is the carpet needs to come off. So there's 2 little plastic peg here, and there's one there and one somewhere here. Should have been. And I'll be using a little special crow type of a bar. So one already been taken off, so I will take this off. If you can grab, just gently pull it away, and that's it. All right. So let's keep this. Okay, so what's underneath it is, let me show you what's underneath. Is there is the wire with that's the wire for the resistor harness, and when you take the fan off by taking them 3 screws, one there, one here, you can actually see the tip of the resistor pack, which is actually on the back side there. Okay, on that side. So it's already been taken off. We were messing around with it to try and establish what's gone on. You've seen the state of the actual thingy resistor pack. That's the fan connector. So we're just going to be reversing the process by taking everything off. Well, at least you know that in UK, if it's a right-hand drive, the resistor pack is situated under the footwell, right next to the fan. Right, concluding this video, the resistor has been put back, everything's in its place now, the fan's been connected as well. So here we go, moment of truth. Feel the air. 2, speed 1. So the control switch was fine, there was nothing wrong with the control switch. It was that resistor that needed replacing. So happy days, everything's working as it should be. Take care.